welcome back to another very awesome Roblox video. And today we'll be playing epic minigames and I love this game actually, but like I can't play, so we're spectating. But like,
I'm not sure if the audio is gonna be very good, so we might need to shout like this.
Yeah, the audio was crappy on my last video.
So how do we get off of spectating?
I don't. You press the.
Clearly, I have the best app.
Oh wait, I'm on. I was on.
No,
I was playing. Okay. So now I might have changed a little bit. So like,
this is the best app forever.
okay.
So
So
better than yours. No, it is not.
so
I'm Sprite Candy.
cheese Sprite cranberry. Maddie, how much Robux do you have? Neither.
I have 188.
You have a lot of Robux. Okay, so we don't like spending money on Robux. I could do a full video sometime. Except that was
Whoa!
And now that we have a bunch of stuff, ooh, we're protecting the statue. So protect the statue. Yeah.
Where did you buy the Whoa! Why did it expects you to win Bombo, but since there's 83 meetings,
I'm so bad at this game. This game is one of the worst games to play. Well, this is the most boring game, to be honest.
No, electric. Step on the electric. And you die. Yeah, why did you die? Why did it blow up? No, more electric. No, idiot.
This game is so hard.
Wait, maybe we can do
I died.
Never mind.
Dang it. I have 119 wins. Look at Oscar. Just look at Oscar here.
I only have my amazing avatar.
Yeah. So,
Why are you getting such a mess?
the reason we haven't, gotten a, webcam in a while, I hate this game too. Why are they doing all these games? Like for our video, like, why didn't they know they were being recorded? Nobody. Like, it's so hard. Wow, this game is so fun. Yay. Yay. I'm so happy. We're playing epic minigames.
Oh shoot, stop.
Awesome.
Video.
YouTube.
Ow.
I'm following Oscar. No, he just sees.
Yeah, that was open.
I'm trash.
Look at this graph.
No, I won that one. I mean, I like Balcony Dash because I won that one time. I like it.
So, you can get this sweatshirt. Just go to my avatar and buy all this stuff so you can look exactly like me.
This is a good one with
And look at this print.
Your own t-shirt and then tell people to buy that and you'll actually get money.
But I don't want money, really.
oh my god.
Boy, I'm telling someone to buy something if it's not your own merchandise.
I don't know.
That is the point of having a YouTube channel. Get ad revenue and get people to buy you.
But we have 5 subscribers. We're gonna die, all of us. 3 of them is us.
Well, get the other people to buy your shirts.
We're gonna die. With videos for no point. I mean,
Well, see, stretch them out. Now stretch them out to 3 minutes
Why?
long and start getting that sneaky ad revenue from you put little ads in them.
No.
Make all your videos like 10 to 10.
Nope, not a good idea. Nope. I'm trapped.
Well, I guess
Oh,
I guess
no.
you're never gonna make money. Exactly.
We'll never make money because we suck at YouTube.
That at least.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna die. Like, I have a very big fear that I'm gonna
I
die.
literally just died.
Well, what game is it?
Epic video game. I actually
What video
know
game
the
is
best
it?
in Roblox.
reset your character?
Why did they do it? No!
That's literally a self button.
So,
I don't know why
if you want to play Roblox, go to the link in the
How is
description.
that not KYS button? I mean,
So,
that's basically what it is. It's
Bombs
better than
Away?
Fall Apart, like,
Wait,
Lego.
isn't like Bombs Away where people, like, there's someone that controls
I
it?
know a really good family-friendly Roblox game.
What?
It's called Base Wars. It's family-friendly.
I mean, I kind of like that game, but we didn't play it.
Family-friendly.
We'll play it next time.
You kill people with flamethrowers. It's family-friendly.
Well, yay. If you're not 10 plus watching this, because it's probably all 3-year-olds messing with their mom's phone. Oh no, there's a bomb. Oh no, another bomb. There's so many bombs.
That game is just lost.
With the bronze wings is a 4-year-old with their mom's credit card number?
Oh, Ryan's toy.
No, what?
Ryan's toy review. It's a 4-year-old with a credit card. Subscribe to PewDiePie. But T-Series is gonna win. T-Series is horrible. Unsubscribe to T-Series. Yes, but that's not.
Subscribe to 3 hours of Rocky for awesome
Yeah, yearly content.
And also,
That's the best.
and also this guy with an enormous head who just carries pizza.
We spent an hour in a square of cake.
Pizza.
Pizza.
How long did you have that?
The 1900s are trash. And the 90s.
Comment down below what level you are. It's Piper.
And the 90s.
Piper.
Hot chocolate.
I'm gonna leave. I hate. Wait, what? Pipeworks is the worst game.
Possible to win.
Pipeworks?
Yeah.
Easy. All you have to do is pick up the hammer, even though that would make it worse.
This is so hard. I'm gonna die, so I'm just gonna let myself die in here. I don't think this is a real life situation.
No, it's not.
Here's the tip. In real
Also, you
life,
should just climb on the pipes.
in real life, if your pipe breaks, hit it with a hammer. So
Even if you broke your, if you break your hand, hit it with a hammer.
If that was how you broke your hand, hit it again.
It's a cat. 1 second. Oh my gosh, there's a cat.
hammer.
That's awesome.
Black Panther, come back! Black Panther! If Donald Trump makes a hole in the wall, this will make our videos more popular. And if you only have
It's a kitty cat. Ow, cat. That hurt.
no, hit your subscribe button.
Oh yeah. Yeah, do that.
And celebration time.
Come on. I lost this game. Yeah.
Are you
Yay!
being family friendly?
What?
Are you being family friendly?
No,
Demonetize.
yeah, Maddie demonetized.
Oh no, my charger. Cube Factory.
You're also demonetized.
Game is literally impossible. I just clicked.
Demonetized nothing because you don't even get access to celebration time.
Second time. Come on. Seriously, we need to sponsor someone.
So that.
Yes, we do, so we can get money.
That game's easy. You just spam all the buttons.
Yeah. Spam the buttons. So, please, I don't need any Roblox. But if you need friends on Roblox, go to Katie Poo 101 and keep requesting them to be friends. Because I already have 200 friends. Sorry, you can't.
No one ever wins.
My charger! Yay, I won!
Voice.
I won, yeah. We
don't know how unless we have to pick up our or whatever.
yeah, and then we have to scream. Do you want to? Oh, I love this one. I love doing parkour. Parkour is my life. Chipotle's my life.
I know a great frisbee game.
Watch this if you.
Jailbreak.exe is a fairly frisbee game. Bam.
A shark will give chase, and a shark will give chase.
Run.
It's parkour. Ow! I died. I fell into the
One
ocean.
of the first stages in the Sonic game.
That's how. If you. This is how to die in Roblox.
Reset.
No. In Roblox, there's this thing called water is acid. Yeah. Go do that and then sue the company and tell them the screen wasn't durable enough. And then maybe you'll get money.
Do what company?
The computer company, tell the screen wasn't durable enough. Just tell them it fell off a roof.
Oh.
And it wasn't, if they hadn't put a drone in your computer and then it made it fall off.
Oh.
If you,
Go to Aztec
what's Aztec Adventure?
Go to Aztec
That's kind of weird how I struggled on the word adventure.
You know, the
Ooh, we should go to Koala Cafe. Who wants to go to Koala Cafe? Me. Sorry about that. Our microphone stopped working. Or if you can't, just for the people who can't hear me. Because my microphone won't work. Sorry about... Oh, I spelled about wrong. This is not that. Sorry about that. Mike, stop. I don't know if you hear that. And I'm just keep watching. Yes. I told them to just keep watching. Okay, it says watching.
I make you game.
I don't know what it is. Okay, just keep watching, guys. If my microphone... Wait.
Y'all bad.
Y'all, I don't know.
Okay, you want to know why?
Why?
Hey guys, why is this such a great video?
It fall off the cloud.
Jump off.
No, my cloud. I die. Okay, now we don't have to play the game. Whoever made it, please stop making it. Let's go see who made the...
I jumped off.
I do have
How dare the clouds let you jump off?
Where your paths, so my paths aren't disconnected.
The Steel Eagle develops, is the developer. This guy's the game creator.
I
What?
don't know what that is. Like,
Could you... People who need...
Also, controller mini games. That's honestly hard. I buy controller mini games, and then on a server, you've got like a 1 in 20.
Yeah, dude.
Bomb ball is that one where everyone's a bomb.
Hi, Raven. The cat's back. Black Miss... Ray Ray, come here, girl. I don't know if it's broken or not. I'm still recording, so yay. If you guys can hear me, I don't know.
Okay, but I can't know. Y'all monetize because you said yes.
Who cares? I don't get anything.
None of us do because it's not.
I want to go this way.
Well, bye guys if you
I
can
don't
hear
like
me.
organized sports.